Working on 6.2. You're going to evaluate rectangles from missing lengths. Okay, why would you be doing something like this, do you think?
Find the correct measurement, and you only know one side.
Find measures. We're working on multiplication and division. I like that. Okay, and there's a mathematical reasoning. We're using logic, and the logic is called deduction. Okay, deduction means you know something and you use clues and you narrow it down and find what the answer is. Okay, so that power of logic is that you're using the clues as well. So this is what something like this looks like. Visually, right. Okay. Oh, no, I don't want a square even. I want a rectangle. There we go. That's what I want. Okay. Cool. So if you remember, we talked about this, that length times width equals area. And if you remember, area is the measure of the boxes, right? Yes, let's say just this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 inches this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4 inches this way. Okay, so what I would do is 5 times 4 equals 20, and it's not just 20, it's 20 inches squared. Okay, because what you're measuring, this is a square inch. It's an inch by an inch. Okay, so that's what you're measuring when you come up with area. Okay, so that's important to know. So let's say the area here is, let's say the area is 280 square inches. Remember I told you this was also inches, right? Or inches squared, that little twice, because it's inches times inches. That's what squaring is. Okay. And let's say this side is 7 inches, right? We need to look for these relationships between the numbers as we have been doing with our extended math facts. I like the way it was solved earlier. We have to find 7 because we have placed this 0 here. I know that 7 times some number is 28. Right? So I know the length and I know the area here. Okay, so you're going to find 7 times 4 is 28, and perhaps 7 times 40, since I'm placing the 0 at the end. Yeah. And if you were to flip, addition and subtraction are related, kind of in the same ways that multiplication and division are related, and that you can use that communicative property and flip them around. 280 divided by 7 is 40. So the missing length, or the missing width, I could say length equals 7. You're going to be looking for the missing width. The missing width would be 40 inches. Okay.